for YouTube and Instagram. Welcome to Casa Carbonio up here, and I brought Vroomy with me as well. Vroomy just right there. So my friend Izzy just bought a Abarth 595 Competitione, and he said he wants to pick up some pretty interesting things for his car. So what the hell is going on? Oh my God, look at this. What the hell has he bought? That is hilarious. What the hell? This bit's falling off. There's stuff going on, and I don't know what the hell is happening here. Izzy. Oh my God, that sounds so... Yes. This is like Comedy Central. What's going on, Izzy? What's happening?
Hi guys.
What's all this stuff?
Ooh, lots of goodies for the car. You'll see
that is the funniest thing I've seen, man. Oh, you gotta put a mask on, isn't it?
Yeah,
Like 2021 settings.
Yeah.
What the hell? Like,
what I promise you guys is some goodies for the car.
Yeah, so you've been driving up and down the street with that on?
Yeah, definitely.
You think it's some funny looks and stuff?
There were, yes, I have some few, especially this kind of flying.
Yeah, that was just flying away behind it. That is Comedy Central. So Izzy, look, let's get all this stuff out of the car.
Yes.
And then we're gonna reveal what bits you've bought.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool, let's do that. This car apparently is gonna be completely transformed. It's always so funny hearing this car start up, man. They're so small and yet so loud. They're very, very big boxes, man. What could be, how heavy is it? Let's have
It's not heavy at all.
Yeah.
So very
that
light.
weighs nothing.
So you can imagine what it is.
That might give you guys a clue what this might possibly be, right? Because it doesn't weigh anything. Let me just lift this one and see. And again, it doesn't weigh anything, but it's a bit long. Man, what could this possibly be? I'm gonna leave this one. It's a big box.
I think.
Jesus, what did you buy, man? Hold on. I got it. Okay, this is definitely the heaviest of the boxes here. I got it. Woo, gonna drop that. TMC Motorsport, okay.
So,
Alright.
Great thanks to you guys for sorting out all the Sforza equipment and all the Cosi Group equipment.
Oh my gosh.
And all this.
Nice.
So,
alright, cool.
That's just a hint for you guys, Abarth lovers. Yeah. So let's go.
Alright, let's do this. So we're gonna do it in an unboxing, right?
Yeah.
You can't do an unboxing video without a knife. So this is a knife. And that's what we're gonna use. Is that dramatic enough? I think it kinda is. So yeah, let's do this, man. Ooh. What could be inside this mystery box?
In here you can see very beautiful stuff.
Carbon fiber?
It is carbon fiber.
Oh my gosh! Oh, that is nice. That is so nice.
I have to say, I had these ones already.
Yeah.
From the previous Abarth, but I've never installed them. So I've got some other equipment that I've never installed. So this comes from Cosi Group.
Yeah.
And TMC Motorsport is like an official distributor for Cosi Group stuff.
Yeah.
And they also do other stuff from Sforza, which is coming. And you'll see how cool it looks. But so look sick. At the detailing. I mean,
it looks so nice in the sunshine.
It is, yes, it is good.
I need this on Vroomy, man. That's so. Yeah. Let's touch it.
It's
no,
so
that doesn't weigh anything.
It's 20 grams, maybe. So, but it's very good. So they do for the Mini as well, for the R3053 if you want.
Ah, okay.
So, and these are expensive, but you know, it's the first addition you could do.
So TMC, I'll be hollering you guys.
TMC Motorsport, yeah. And this is what I could put on the wheels. If I keep those wheels, I could change the center cap to black.
Nice.
You know, instead of the standard one.
Let's have a look.
So you can see it. Yeah.
Woo.
So I have that as well.
Yeah. The Scorpion is a wheel center cap.
You see, this is here. 4 of them.
Oh.
So I can change them to the black ones. Then I've got the registration at the back for the rear registration lights to put LEDs.
Yeah.
So those are the LEDs to put in.
Nice.
Instead
those
of
like your registration plates.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Very cool.
So actually, these are the ones I got from TMC, which supposed to do no. So they're in the box here. People like it. So these will have no error message on the dashboard when you install them. where the other manufacturers will.
Yeah.
So they are quite cool actually. I removed already there.
Man, you've been shopping, man. You've been buying all kinds of stuff. So many boxes in a box. It's like, what is it there?
So this one is gonna be for the wheels.
Whoa.
So longer wheel nuts means spaces.
Our box is about to get wider.
So these are from TMC. These are the ones they do. I mean, touch them. It's aluminium or whatever it is. It's really light.
Was that like how many millimeters is this? Like
this is 16. So I'm gonna put 16 everywhere. I wanted to do 13 in the front, 16 in the back, but they didn't have the 13, so we said, okay, it should be fine, all 16. Now the only problem with this is silver, as you can see, and the wheels and the brakes are all black. So maybe I should have gone for black. I don't know yet. We'll see how it looks.
To be honest, I don't think
that
you're
could
gonna see
change.
much of it.
No, you won't see it. No, but depends on the wheels, you know. I don't think the ones I will have put in. And now on these envelopes is something really cool. Okay, that's the empty one.
You start with empty envelope.
Yeah, you're gonna like this.
Oh no!
So
that is so
this is really cool because this will go in replacement of the silver ones in the car. The back will be like that, where it is the silver one that you saw on film before.
Yeah.
And on the sides where the shield is, it will go on the side as well.
Oh my god. See, this made me feel like I need to do so many things to Rumi as well. Oh my god. So we've done box numero uno, or number uno. So let's get to number 2. This is box number 2, right?
Number 2, yes.
Okay.
I got the knife, as you promised. So.
Oh my god.
But look at the quality with the sound.
I'm jelly right now.
This will go in the front bumper on the side, and it will create the canals for the air intake. But obviously, it's just decorative, really.
So you get more downforce then, and
supposed
you're gonna get extra grip around corners. Look at the detailing, though. Look when the sun hits it just right.
Yeah, here. It comes from here, from this angle. There.
Yes. Ooh, I'm definitely seeing that. This chunk of carbon fiber ain't gonna be cheap. It's gonna be a lot of cash money. Cash money, people.
There's 2 of them. That will be the other side.
Yeah.
So this way. So the front will be where I am looking. I'm driving.
Yeah.
They will be around that area. Yeah.
Damn.
Let's put this back in.
Okay.
Oh, look at this. What's this? Ooh.
Oh, that sounds like metal.
Are these the paddle shifts?
That's more fiber. It sounds like metal there for a second.
It's for the paddle shifts.
Oh, the paddle shifts.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the carbon fiber as well.
How do I open this? Whoa.
Oh my god. Paddle
That's
shifting.
gonna go attached to
fiber.
the paddle shifts.
You put it in the sun. Put it like that.
Yeah. I mean, look at it.
Oh my god, it looks so freaking cool.
You can see that's the minus.
It's magnificent. Look at that carbon fiber. It just looks like the business.
Yeah, I think so. So once you attach that to the paddle shift, I guess you glue that with 3M adhesive or something. It's extending the paddle shift. So you can see in the back, this was the paddle shift, the standard one from the car. So it's gonna extend by that. So when you're driving, it's gonna give you a better position to.
That is absolutely, what the hell, look at that.
So this is for the top, the spoiler on the top.
Yeah.
So this where the rear lights will be. This is for the convertible that I have. So it's replacing the existing one with carbon fiber.
This is some kind of weapon.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's all about the carbon fiber, people. Look at it. Why does it weigh nothing? It's like it doesn't weigh anything. So when do you plan to have all these bits fitted?
As soon as. So
in time for spring. So this is a long thin box. Listen to those bubbles pop. People, I have to do this, right? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that's so satisfying.
5. Okay.
Woo. Oh my god, yeah, that's that. Yeah.
Right, we need the knife again.
I'm still a giant kid. Sorry, everyone.
I do as well. You know. Okay, that's the sleeve. Oh.
Look at that. That is like some kind of like weird lightsaber.
So I don't know how this goes. Will it go like this because it has to be a screw, so you only see this edge, or it will go like this, and then you don't see the underneath because you don't care.
I have no idea.
I think it will go like this. Rear wheel on the front wheel.
Yeah.
So it's cool because it has also this to come out in the back. So it's kind of, the only thing that I miss, and I will tell the guys, is this kind of fin in here.
Oh, the fin.
So when you put it, it's like a fin.
Yeah.
I've seen it in all the materials. So that's the side skirts.
The color of the Abarth and the carbon fiber, I think, are gonna work really well. The contrast is gonna be pretty insane. And then when he puts the spacers as well, oh man, it's gonna look fat and beefy. This is the last box in the opening or unboxing series.
It's a bit heavier.
Yeah, just a bit.
Let's get it up.
I don't know what is in this box. You know, you bought some wood.
Right, I need the knife.
You ordered carbon fiber and you got wood instead. What the hell's going on
pretty
here?
much. This is not right. I think it's to keep the stability of it.
Yeah, because you don't want it flexing.
Yeah. So it doesn't break.
What the hell is that? Oh, I think I know what they are. I know what that is. That is absolutely insane. That is just like
a light as well.
Oh, that's so cool. There's LED lights in there.
Yeah.
That is
So
the
that will
diffuser
connect to
of
the
your
lights.
new Abarth. Oh, that's dope. Oh, there's another one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's more. Well, let me give you this one back. Oh man, I thought that was the last one.
Very cool indeed. Okay, so this has to be protected.
This is freaking huge. This is like Christmas, like in February.
It was Christmas.
Oh no, my mask has come off. Oh, put it back on.
This is gonna change the look of the car a bit.
Completely, it's gonna be like a brand new car. It's like Fiat 500. No, it's like Abarth 595 Competitione 2.0. Whoa! What the hell?
There you are.
That is. That is cool, man. I'm not gonna lie. That is really, 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 really freaking cool. Look at that. You might have the best Abarth in London very soon.
Well, I would say the best because I've seen very, very good ones.
Yeah, but I mean, like, have you seen it on Sloan with these bits
In
on it?
Wimbledon, in Wimbledon. Let's say
Wimbledon, the best Abarth in Wimbledon.
But yeah, this will change the shape a bit of the Abarth.
Yeah,
This will be more aggressive looking forward rather than just on the edge of the normal paint bumper.
yeah,
So this comes out. And then I kept the original fog lights.
yeah.
So that's good.
See that. Let's get a bit more of a detail of the carbon bits in the sun. So let's follow Izzy. Let's go.
So in the sun.
Woo! Oh man, it's magnifico.
Look at it.
It is magnifique.
And then I will be putting more stuff later on.
Yeah.
I think for the time being, it's a lot already.
So that pretty much finishes the unboxing. Let me know what you guys think about these carbon bits, and also let me know what else you think he could upgrade on his Abarth 595. Put it in the comments, people. And yeah, absolutely crazy. That makes me want to add more stuff to my, I was going to say my Abarth. I don't have an Abarth. I have a Mini Cooper SR53. So what could I do to mine? Let me know in the comments as well, because woo, it's like I'm excited for him, because like he's been talking about this for so long, since he bought the Abarth. Even before he bought this one, because he used to have the previous gen Abarth before in this crazy blue, which he sold, and then he started missing it again, and then he was like, you know what, Rawkus, think I'm gonna buy an Abarth again. And so then he bought this one, and he's like, I'm gonna do everything I want to do my previous Abarth on this one, and that's what he's gonna do. So he bought his carbon fiber bits, and it's gonna be transformed to a whole brand new Abarth.